Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Today, our topic of discussion is future simple tense. We have already discussed present simple, present to be, past to be, and future to be. Those who are starting from very beginning, these tenses will be very helpful for them. So must study these tenses. This will help you in find out the errors as well as improve your writing and speaking skills. But don't forget to use them in your daily routine, in writing, in message service, or in your speaking skills. Just go through it and we will discuss on future simple tense. Have a look at that. Hope you have gone through it. In future simple tense, we use subject first and then shall and will are the helping verb of this tense. Verb of first form and object. We have discussed before. Subject is doer of an action, verb is an action, object is bearer of an action. With I and we use shall. With other subjects, we use will. Or you can also say I'll, will, you'll, they'll. This may be possible. So my friends is a subject. We use will helping verb with this one, and then verb of first form give up, and then object all habits. Similarly, we have to form different sentences. My friends will give up all bad habits. Second, the poor will educate their children. Number third, she will serve guests. Number four, students will make noise in the class. Number five, I or we shall set up business. Set up means कायम करना और give up means छोड़ना. Educate means तालीम देना. So this is affirmative sentences, and we are moving towards the negative sentences. Just look at these negative sentences, then we will discuss on negative sentences. These are the negative sentences of future simple tense. What we change here, we just need to use not in negative sentences. First we use subject, then shall or will, then not, then verb of first form, and then object. You need to just change the not negative formation. She will not compromise with circumstances. Compromise with circumstances means हालात से समझौता करना. They will not cover long distance in short time. Police will not chase the bandits. Chase means किसी का पीछा करना और bandit means धाड़ेल. Okay. Number 4, government will not provide amenities to the poor. Amenities means facilities, सहूलतें. Uneducated will not raise voice for their rights. Raise voice means आवाज़ उठाना. For their rights means अपने हकूक़ के लिए. So you need to practice, and you also need to make such sentences in your daily practice. Okay, you need to make your own sentences and use it in speaking as well as writing skills. I again insist my students to use them in your own language. So we are moving towards the interrogative sentence of future simple tense. Have a look at them, then we will discuss this one. This is the slide of future simple tense interrogative sentences. What we need to do in future simple tense interrogative, we use helping verb. What are the helping verbs? Shall and will before the subject. First we have placed this shall or will, then subject, then verb of first form, and then object. You know the where we need to put will and shall. With I or we you can use shall, and with the other forms, other subjects we use will, or you can use will with I or we as well. Will students raise hands to give answers? Raise hands means haath uthana. Will you keep silent? Keep silence means खामोश होना. Will they collect donation for the hospital? Collect donation means चंदा जमा करना. Will children play a prank? Play a prank means शरारत करना. Will he run business? Run business means कारोबार चलाना. See, this is the future simple tense interrogative slide. Now I'll give you a stock of words and tell you the meaning of those words. Now take your register and pen and write some affirmative sentence, 5 affirmative sentences, 5 negative sentences, and 5 interrogative sentences in your own words. I'm giving you a list of words and you need to practice on those words by creating your own sentences from those list of from that list of words. Okay, my dear students, this is the list of words. Now you need to write in your register and practice and write your own sentence of future simple, affirmative, negative, and interrogative. Burn means jalana. Misuse means गलत इस्तेमाल करना. Lame excuses means झूठे बहाने. Make lame excuses means झूठे बहाने करना. Progress means तरक्की करना. Slay means ज़बह करना. Agree means राजी होना. Keep up an eye means किसी पे नज़र रखना. Darkness means अंधेरा. Get dark means अंधेरा होना. Victory means फतेह. Fatal means मौत मार. Against means खिलाफ. Maintain health means health बरकरार रखना, सेहत बरकरार रखना. Empty means खाली. Fall means गिरना. Okay, devote means वक्फ करना. Earn profit means profit कमाना. Remove means हटाना. Okay, there are also other words. You can practice on this one as well. I am putting it right before you, and you need to create your own sentences. This is end of our lecture. We will soon discuss with another lecture about present continuous, past continuous, and future continuous. Don't forget to watch those videos who are starting from very beginning and want to appear in competitive exams or different in different exams. So these video will be helpful for them. Thank you so much. Inshallah, we will soon meet in another video. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.